Yeah, if you look at my house, the design is in such a way that most of the places you can see a complete big window, which is like see-through glasses. Though I have put toughened glasses, it's not, we cannot confirm that it is not breakable. So security was a concern for me. And putting a grill inside the glass was completely like it will spoil the design as well. So option of putting a shutter over that, and it's usually we have seen the shutters in the shop. I personally have seen only that, but this team has given me the option of 2-3 types of shutters where they also have very sleek shutters. You cannot really feel that the shutters is placed there. They have really good models, and it can also be automated. So now I have a beautiful view of my windows where I can see outside, and at the same time in the night I can just with the touch of a switch I can put the shutters on and I'm completely safe.
Simplify your life. LMT Automations.